This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study algorithms and data structures. Start by outlining your goals, prioritizing core topics, and scheduling consistent daily practice sessions. Focus first on understanding arrays, lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs conceptually before coding. Use spaced repetition and incremental challenges to build retention and confidence. Keep a journal of mistakes and revisit them often to turn weak areas into strengths with steady effort. Start by learning Big O notation and how to compare algorithms by time and space complexity in practical terms. Study arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, hash maps, trees, and graphs with typical operations and performance trade-offs. Practice recognizing problem patterns like recursion, divide and conquer, greedy methods, and dynamic programming so you can choose suitable strategies. Relate concepts to real code examples to cement understanding and recall. Adopt a steady practice routine that mixes easy warm-ups, focused medium problems, and occasional hard challenges. Time yourself sometimes to simulate interviews and explain your approach out loud to build communication skills. After solving, review optimal solutions and re-implement them from memory to catch subtle edge cases. Track progress with a simple spreadsheet or app, and revisit older problems periodically to ensure long-term retention and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.